What's up, guys? It's your girl Kitty Cotton, and I'm back with another video, or Chloe. And today I'm doing a squishy vending machine video, and it's not. I know I'm fully aware that it's like really bad, like it's just not good. But this is my very first one, and if I ever do make another one, I don't know if I will. If I do, not soon, because this was actually really hard. It took a really long time. And we actually had to kind of rush through it because we didn't want the table to be a mess because of all this. But yeah, here it is. Add some squishies at the top. One squishy over there fell. I'll get that later on. But it has some of the squishies at the top. Some of them are over there too. And the top is open, and then there's this. I know it doesn't have any plastic wrap there, and I have the thing where you can turn 360 and where your prize falls out and your coin slot. And obviously you don't really need to have a coin slot, but you know, you can just put it for like special effect or something. I don't know. Oh, hello, kitty. And then here's the squishies, and then the inside, there's not really much in the inside. The only like thing is like the coin slot thing and this. But yeah, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and, you know, try to get a couple of squishies out of here for you guys. Now you guys can't really see the top because this thing is so tall. But it's okay because the only thing that's at the top is just the squishies. That's all. Okay, so it's kind of cold in here because the air conditioner's on. It's fine. So all you have to do is turn this, pop in your coin if you have one, but you don't really need one. But pop in your coin, turn this bottom 360, and then your prize will fall out. And yeah, because there's a hole inside the bottle. I'll show you guys that later. Wait, actually, if you get close enough, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let's see if I can like see it. I'm not sure you guys could tell, but there's a hole inside of the bottle which allows the prize to fall out when you turn it and then fall in here. So you're gonna turn your bottle. Sometimes it can get jammed and the prize won't fall out. And sometimes a couple prizes falls out. So we got a few prizes. Sometimes, one is really how I plan for it to go. One prize falls out, but if more than one prize falls out, then it's fine. We have a koala here. Like a pink koala. So cute. I just usually put them back, but I'll just keep them there for now. We have this turtle bun thing. I have this, my friend gave me one of these, but it got the head tore off. And you know, I kept it at school for like people to just tear it up. So unfortunately I threw it away, but here's mine. And we have a dumpling. I have bigger squishies, but they just wouldn't fit inside the hole, so I just put the little one here. So we're gonna put in. Sometimes you have to like get like the squishy actually inside of the middle there. Guys, look, this is what I mean. Half the squishies just not fell out. Guys, this is not the perfect machine, you know, almost like all the squishies just fell out. I'm going to put them back in, seal up the back so I can do it right for you guys real quick. Alrighty guys, I got it back how it should be, and hopefully that does not happen again. So I'm going to hold it back a little bit. Sometimes you have to take them and like put them like more to the front. Trying to do about a 360. Turn it back. Turn it back. And this time I got this donut with this blue donut with rainbow sprinkles. really soft. That's fine. And we're gonna play. Yeah, again, sometimes you have to like put them in a front more, so it can actually, so you can actually get a prize. As I said, this thing is not it's not the best. But I'm pretty proud of it. I know it's not good. Me and my sister made it. Like she helped me out a lot, and plus your YouTube channel is Crown's Trash, right? Crown's Trash. Here, let me see. Can I? Oh, sorry guys, this thing just fell. Alright. Can I write on this? Okay guys, so that's what her YouTube channel name is.
I don't post much, but I'm planning on it.
So go and subscribe to her YouTube channel, please. And so your okay, one squishy just fell out of it. That happens sometimes. But so squishy falls into the water bottle, and then it falls right back out into your prize box, and there you have it, one or a couple of. I've got this waffle Hello Kitty with, it looks like pinkish, it looks like hot pink syrup. And then I got this pink flower donut with rainbow sprinkles, right guys? Okay. So there you have it. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360 of the squishy vending machine. So here is a 360. We tried to go for like a watermelon type thing here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube videos. I need you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends and your family and stuff. I love you guys so much. Love you.